Okay, next, we try to look at the OSI model. What is OSI model? It is Open Systems Interconnection, okay, designed by ISO. Okay, kalau tadi kita tengok internet model, we have 5 layers. Okay, starting from physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and application layer. For OSI model, it has 7 layers. Okay, 7 layer model, which was never seriously implemented. Dia ada 2 more additional layers in between transport layer and application layer. Okay, dia ada 2 lagi layer, iaitu session layer and presentation layer yang berada di antara transport layer and application layer. Okay, what is the function of presentation layer and session layer? So session layer is the network dialog controller. Okay, the purpose is to establish, maintain and synchronize interaction between communicating device system. Then for presentation layer, it is to handle syntax and semantic of the information exchange between the two system. Okay, designed for data translation, encryption, description and compression of data. Okay, encryption and decryption ni lebih kepada security. Okay. Tetapi OSI model was, as is stated here, was never seriously implemented. Okay, yang kita gunakan adalah TCP/IP model yang hanya 5 layer sahaja. Okay, next we move to the 3 types of addressing. Okay, at the beginning of this chapter, I mentioned we have for the data link layer we have the one of the duty of the data link layer is physical addressing. One of the duty of network layer is logical addressing, and one of the duty of transport layer is port addressing. Okay, so what are the difference between these 3 addresses? Okay, let's look at this. The first one, physical address. Physical address, also known as link address, which is the address of a node defined by its LAN or WAN. So included in the frame used by the data link layer. Okay, as I said, it is used by the data link layer. However, the size and format vary depending on the network. Okay, size dengan format itu bergantung kepada jenis network yang diduduki oleh device tu lah. Okay, for example, Ethernet, kebiasaannya Ethernet use 6 byte. 6 byte, 1 byte 8 bit. Okay, kalau you still remember, you belajar dalam 159 ataupun dalam digital elektronik, 1 byte bersamaan dengan 8 bit. Jadi 6 darab 8, 48 bit. Okay, so kalau untuk Ethernet, dia 6 byte ataupun 48 bit physical address that is imprinted on the network interface card. Okay, setiap device yang nak connect kepada internet mesti ada NIC, Network Interface Card. Dan physical address ni adalah address yang imprinted dekat network interface card. Okay, most LANs use 48-bit 6-byte physical address written as 12 hexadecimal digit. 1 hexa bersamaan dengan 4 digit kalau you convert ke binary. Okay, contohnya 0701 ni dia akan jadi 00000111. Okay, 00000001 and so on. So every byte 2 hexadecimal is separated by colon. Okay, ini adalah physical address. Okay, yang digunakan di data link layer. Okay, logical address. Logical address necessary for universal communication that are independent of underlying physical networks. Physical address are not adequate. Okay, tidak mencukupi untuk internet network environment where different networks can have different address format. Macam disebutkan tadi, physical address tu panjang dia bergantung kepada jenis network yang diduduki oleh device tu. So, we need for universal addressing system in which each host can be identified uniquely regardless of the underlying physical network. Tak kira lah dia internet ataupun bukan. So, a logical address in the internet is currently 32-bit address. Yang kita sebut IP address tu adalah logical address that can uniquely define a host connected to the internet. Apa-apa sahaja ataupun mana-mana device yang nak kepada internet connection mesti ada IP address. Dan IP address ni adalah panjangnya 32-bit. Okay, ni kalau kita guna IPv4 lah. IP address version 4. dia 32 bit address. Ni kita akan belajar lagi dalam chapter terakhir nanti. Okay, topik khusus untuk IP address. So for the time being, we just go quickly for this one. So no two publicly addressed and visible hosts on the internet can have the same IP address. Okay, IP address ni dia mesti unik. Mana-mana device yang tengah connect pada internet tidak boleh mempunyai IP address yang sama. Dua device yang sedang connect pada internet pada waktu yang sama tidak boleh ada IP address yang sama. Melainkan satu dah disconnect, satu lagi boleh ambil IP address yang sudah pun disconnected daripada device yang sebelumnya. Okay, dan bentuk dia untuk IP address ni kita ada 32 bit or can be written in decimal as this. Okay, separated by dot. Okay, then last one, port address. Okay, port address ni yang digunakan di logical address ataupun IP address tadi digunakan oleh network layer. Last one, port address digunakan oleh transport layer. So the IP address and the physical address are necessary for a quantifier of data to travel from source to destination host. Okay, as I said, computer can run multiple processes at the same time. You boleh check email, boleh tengok result you, boleh buka media sosial, boleh main game pada masa yang sama. Maksudnya you boleh run 4 ataupun lebih processes at the same time. So for example, dia bagi computer A can communicate with computer C by using telnet. At the same time, computer A communicates with computer B by using file transfer protocol. So for these processes, to receive data simultaneously, a label is assigned to each process known as port address. So sama macam saya kata tadi, setiap proses yang sedang running dekat komputer mesti ada port address supaya data yang dia request daripada server tertentu akan masuk ke proses yang betul. So port address is actually 16-bit address represented as a single number. Okay, addresses, the physical address will change from hop to hop, but the logical and port address usually remain the same. Okay, bila kita nak hantar data daripada satu komputer ke satu komputer yang lain, okay, melalui intermediate nodes, okay, contohnya macam ni, okay, katalah B wants to send data to G, B nak hantar data pada G melalui router. Okay, dalam kes ni, logical address and port address akan kekal. Tetapi physical address akan berubah daripada hop ke hop. Okay, yang ni saya akan tunjuk in the next video.